Hi, how are you doing? Man, it is really raining outside. There's some thunder and lightning going on out there, girlfriend. What's up? I have to tell you about this because this is amazing. This is kind of going to sound like a commercial, but it's not. It's actually important because, I'm kind of have a vlog, kind of, sort of, so I'm always reporting news to people on what's going on. And I was reading all the details, and I found out from several followers about this, and I have the link below, by the way. Right now, Fujifilm has 70% off on camera cleanings, clean your sensor, and also too inspection on your camera to see if there's any damage. Any damage, excuse me. Now this is USA only. What they'll do is they'll do a professional sensor cleaning and also too a camera cleaning, and do a checkup, a full checkup by professionals at Fujifilm USA. They're up in Edison, New Jersey, by the way. They'll inspect your camera for any issue or damage. It's kind of like getting a 60,000 mile checkup on your new vehicle, right? Or, a 100,000 mile inspection, as the case may be. Except an inspection is just an inspection. They're actually going to clean your camera and also clean the sensor. This is my greatly beloved GFX 100, by the way, which I have full insurance on. It's really important to have insurance on a $10,000 camera. Before I actually get into the details on this, and this is an important video I wanted to make, and like I said, the link is below for doing this for your camera, or your backup camera. You're still using your camera. I'm sure you have a backup camera. Right now, during all of what's going on in the world, Fujifilm is actually doing a great thing for its customers in doing this, and it's 70% off is also incredible. It's all applies to all X series cameras and GFX series cameras. Also, too importantly, you get free return shipping. The shipping is UPS ground, and you have to sign for it. Of course, they're not going to leave your expensive camera on the doorstep. You need to sign for it for obvious reasons. You can also request faster shipping if you want. There'll be an additional fee if you want to do that. If they find an issue with your camera specifically, they're going to give you an estimate on, for parts and repair. But the 70% off is for the sensor cleaning and inspection. Kind of like, sticking your car up on the rack for 60,000 miles and doing an oil change on your car and doing like what do they call it, a 5-point inspection on your car. Kind of a perfect analogy because we've all done that. I recently did that on my car. It just rolled over 60,000 miles, and I got an oil change, and I did an inspection to see, about the timing belts and stuff like that. Check all the details below, but I'm just going to tell you what they are. They want you to remove, obviously, your battery and your SD card. They don't need that. Don't send any accessories like, your camera strap, kind of like I have in my camera right now. And they'll contact you for your credit card information and confirm your check and clean services once they receive the equipment. And this is a hell of a deal, and I'm not like singling out any other camera companies, but what Fujifilm is doing right now is, that's 70% off. That's really, really good. Some of you I know do your own sensor cleaning. They'll do a better job than you will. Just saying. But also too, they could do a full camera cleaning and inspection, and it's 70% off. That's great. I think cost per unit, and click the details and link below, is $54 per unit, i.e. per unit, the unit being the camera, of course. So I was telling people about this in live stream last night and the night before, and two of my buddies just sent off their GFX 50Rs. One of them does an awful lot of shooting with his GFX camera. He's a street photographer, and he's also quite a famous street photographer. But yeah, check that out in the link below, and I'd say to Fujifilm, thanks for doing something so awesome for your customers. I'm kind of distracted by the heavy rain and lightning that's going on outside. There's like a nasty thunderstorm sitting over top of my head. So yeah, I'm kind of getting into the groove of making videos again because I've been on vacation for the past, a horrible vacation too, by the way. All I did was work on the house. I've been on vacation, and I sunburned my poor face and head. As you can see, I look like my head looks like a tomato. Well, it always looks like a tomato, but it looks like a really ripe tomato now. So, thanks so much for watching, and click the link below and send in your camera. I mean, 70% off. I think it expires June. I can't remember exactly when it expires. I think it's like June 15th or June 21st. I can't remember the specific date, but that's in the link below. And yeah. Yeah. Thanks a bunch, and wait for it. Wait for it. Fujifilm. Okay, bye. Fujifilm.